Hey guys, we're doing a team draw now for Noir. It's 8:30 and 15 PM Melbourne time. Oops. Random is live. Participants. Going 9 times. Itchy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Team list. It's time. 8. It's coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yoink. Complete. And the team list goes like this: Harry with Nuggets, Van Houten, Blazers, Glenbow, Clippers, Van Houten, Suns, Jamie Hawkey, Rockets, Van Houten, Pelicans, Dwayne Tatai, Mitch, Mason O'Dorman, Lakers, Dennis Hinn, Hornets, Robert Sun, Wizards, Fasolas, Bulls, Ryan O'Dorman, Thunder and Kings, Adrian with Pistons, Daly with T-Wolves, Celtics, Van Houten, Cannon Nets, Fasolas, Magic, Wilco, Sixers, Van Houten, Jazz, Glenbow, Bucks, Dwayne Tatai, Heat, Robert Sun, Spurs, O'Dorman, Cavs, Glenbow, Raptors, Lurchie with Mavs, Wilco with Warriors, Glenbow, Grizz, Fasolas, Pacers, and O'Dorman, Mason with the Hawks. And